So it's been 8 months since I got my Garden Master grow tent. And in the beginning, I grew quite a lot in it. And then I found as spring came and it got a little bit warmer, then the seedlings were taking a bit of strain in there. So it was it was just too hot. So I haven't been growing in there for a while, but this is our windy season. Well, Port Elizabeth is windy most of the time. And I must say I'm really disappointed in this grow house. If you are going to live in an area where you don't get much wind, I'm sure this will work fine, but certainly not in the windy city of South Africa. So let's have a look what the damage is to the grow house from the wind. And it's disappointing to say the least. Come have a look. There it is. The plastic fittings have actually broken. The poles are bent. The fittings have broken. I didn't do this. The wind just, once the wind gets it, it just rips it apart. And I have tied it to the fence post of the vegetable garden to try and stabilize it. That helped for a couple of months, but it's just shocking. These things have broken off. I've tried to glue this. You can see here that starts to rip because that is where and it's done it on both sides, I think. No, not on both sides. Anyways, that's where of the tie straps were through there and in here. That one's lasted better, but yeah, you can see where I actually just went right through the plastic here, and then I've had to tie it on there to prevent the thing from actually blowing away completely. So I have a plan. I'm going to build a wooden frame for it, and I'm going to carry on I'll use these shelves because they're really nice, and until in the beginning I'm just going to use the tent part with a wooden frame, and then I'm just going to put it over the wooden frame. And then later on what I'll do is I'll get rid of this and then go with a clear roof sheeting and clad the whole thing with a clear roof sheeting. But this is a bit disappointing. Only 8, I didn't even make a year. I didn't make a year. So if somebody had to ask me our opinion on the grow tent, not in Port Elizabeth, that's for sure. Maybe in some other windless city, but certainly not here.